Hello and welcome to the Meet Around the World show. Today out of La Paz on the beautiful campsite of Campestre Marinato.
Today's show will be taking you from San Ignacio, where we left you, down to La Paz, taking you on some rough roads of Baja and the beautiful beaches of the Bay of Concepcion. So do stay tuned for that.
Yes, and for dinner we're going to have surf and turf tacos, shrimp, and of course a ribeye.
Okay.
All right, see you at the fireplace.
Yep.
All right, today we're going to make surf and turf. Got these beautiful shrimp, and I got my favorite cut, of course, a ribeye, bone in, Sonora quality here in Mexico. That's where you want to get your meat from. And what we're gonna do now is we're seasoning the shrimp and the steak. Okay, so I chopped a bit of garlic, chili, and then we're gonna add some lime juice. We're gonna add some beer, Pacifico. Then a little bit of oil. In this case, a little bit of olive oil. This is paprika. This is tahine. Very Mexican. Add a lot of tahine here. Oh yeah. And this is my already made salt, pepper, and garlic powder mixture. So pepper and salt. And this is onion powder, just a little bit. There you go. Okay, mix this. And then later we're gonna grill them, and the steak too, and we're gonna make us some nice surf and turf tacos. Yum. Okay, and as always for the steak, I'm gonna keep it very simple: salt, pepper, and garlic powder. It's a thick cut here, so it can be generous. There you go. Sides. Okay, and we're gonna grill this thing up in about an hour. Let it come up to, well, room temperature, whatever. And yeah, see you later.
After our whale watching tour at the Laguna San Ignacio, we headed south, following the dirt tracks down to San Juanico in Scorpion Bay. There's basically only one paved road from north to south on the Baja Peninsula, the Mexico one, and almost every turnoff you take is either gravel, sand, or riverbed. That's why having a 4x4 vehicle makes complete sense. These roads are rough. It was a beautiful drive, and we made it to the Pacific Ocean in just over 4 hours. We treated ourselves to a meal out overlooking Scorpion Bay and ended up helping the restaurant owner air up her tires. We found a beautiful wildcat spot in the dunes outside of town and enjoyed a good night's sleep. The very next morning it was our turn to pump up the tyres and hit the tarmac again, although that didn't last long, because we decided to cross the peninsula at La Purísima and head over to the Sea of Cortez again, and boy were those roads challenging. We aired down again and put Silverskin in 4 low. We made it! We aired up again and the truckers were saluting us. We camped on the southern tip of the Bahia de Concepcion for a few days, and unfortunately it was here where Richie lost his beloved drone. But there was an upside to the incident, because when I was trying to hunt that drone down, 2 huge schools of dolphins came swimming right by, behind me, over me, and under me. It was time to check out the town of Mulege. We headed up north, passing all the stunning beaches the Bay of Concepcion has to offer, full of white sands and turquoise waters. We laid low for 4 days on a lush campsite and enjoyed the company of both snowbirds and locals. Zoe had a lot of fun playing with all the kids, and we ate out at the local brewery. Pizza for a change.
Thanks.
We turned around, headed south, past all those beautiful beaches again, and couldn't resist spending a few nights at Playa Escondido. We happened to cross paths with familiar faces and met many more travellers, including 2 cyclists from Spain. Our next stop on our way south was Loreto. Well, to be precise, Tacos El Poblano. We indulged in our carnitas at our next campsite just outside the old town of Loreto and made sure we burned off those calories with the stroll into town. It has been a month since we arrived on the Baja, and the more time we spend on this beautiful peninsula, the more we fall in love with it. The sheer beauty of its arid and rugged landscapes, the sea life in its plenty, and the very friendly and hospitable locals, along with the many fellow travellers we meet, make it oh so special and unique. And it doesn't stop there. We will now check out the Southern Cape, and with the help of our friends visiting us from Switzerland. But we'll save that story for another episode.
Okay.
So Richard will find any excuse to grill a ribeye.
Of course.
Put in with some shrimp.
Surf and turf. Here we go.
Very beautifully presented.
We're in Mexico.
You want some ribeye? We'll give you some.
Cheers.
Cheers. How is it, Zoe? It's like un momento.
What can I say? Ribeye is always great.
Now we're in La Paz. The meat selection's a little bit better.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, here you get everything.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
The rest of the Baja is, you'd be lucky if you get bacon.
Yep. That is true.
But seafood is the thing to buy here.
Oh, yeah.
Surrounded by the water.
Very good.
Mm-hmm.
Good and cheap.
We've been going out a lot more as well in recent days.
Yep.
And
Wonderful.
getting a lot of that seafood down us.
Mm-hmm.
Ceviche,
Yep.
fish tacos.
Yeah.
Yesterday, shrimp salad. And now shrimp again. Yum yum.
Yeah. Shrimp and ribeye every day. Mm. Absolutely. So, have we got any news? Well, we're in La Paz for 2 weeks now. We're almost living here now.
Especially on this campsite.
Yeah. That's a beautiful campsite. We have a pool and the weather's great. We have fellow travelers from Germany and Switzerland and Canada and the
so
US.
We've had lots of playmates this
Oh
week.
yeah. Oh, it's been great.
Lovely.
We go out for dinner together, and yeah, then we have friends in town, Mexican friends, and yeah, tomorrow we go out with them again, and now it's great. So, but we're actually trying to catch the ferry over to mainland Mexico, and since you already know the temporary import for the
you'll get the bone later.
for the vehicle seems to be a problem, so we will try early next week to get that permit. Just pull up at the ferry terminal and ask. So, fingers crossed. We're a little nervous, but
well, I mean, things are going to get really interesting if we cannot go over to mainland.
yeah,
As you know, we can't go back to America, so we may just live on the Baja.
exactly. We're already establishing friendships here, so
It's tense.
yeah, it's tense. Yeah, absolutely. But that's you never know what you get yourself into.
Life's never boring.
No, not at all.
Cheers.
Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to your channel, and we'll meet you around the world.
Meet around the world.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Cheers.
Cheers. Ciao, Zoe. Cheers. Okay, let's cut some more ribeye. Alrighty. So, oh.